A week after singer Rihanna's tweet in support of farm laws invited a strong reaction from the government and was backed by a blitz of reactions from Indian celebrities, the Maharashtra government has now said they will examine whether the tweets in support of the farm laws from the likes of Sachin Tendulkar and Lata Mangeshkar amongst others, whether these tweets were tweeted under duress or under pressure from the BJP. A move that has been slammed by the BJP as not just deplorable but also an attack on India's Bharat Ratnas. Is there any criminality in tweeting in favor or against a law? Is there a criminality in social media mobilization? Has the Maharashtra government reacted in a knee-jerk manner, much perhaps like what the MEA did when they reacted to a tweet by a singer? Have a series of tweets needlessly triggered a tizzy? Well, to discuss that and more, joining us this evening, Gopal Krishna Agarwal, national spokesperson of the BJP, Clyde Castro, spokesperson of the NCP, and senior journalist Aarti Jairath. If I can start with Mr. Clyde Castro, who's just going to join us in 10 seconds, I'm told. Okay, Mr. Gopal Krishna Agarwal, the Maharashtra government has reacted saying perhaps there was some pressure on these celebrities to tweet. The government of India said that these international celebrities are also tweeting because of some unknown force or a foreign hand. Is there really a difference in this knee-jerk reaction that has come to a series of tweets which actually have no real impact?
See, we have to understand that if Indian celebrities have to be forced to tweet in favor of India or in favor of the laws in the country and in favor of parliament or in the constitution, it is a very shows what kind of mentality does the Maharashtra government have. What they want to investigate is there was a very grave incident on 26th January when the national flag was completely denounced by certain people who were unruly and seems to be well planned out and carried out in a well planned out manner, in which if you look into the toolkit tweet that was given out by Greta Thunberg, which showed everything that what will happen on 23rd January, what should be done on 25th January, and what should be done on 26th January, then it is highly unacceptable that the Maharashtra government, those who acts against those persons who denounce this act of vandalism, who denounce the act of this violence in which 400 of our policemen were injured. That shows that how the Maharashtra government is acting. If Sachin Tendulkar, Lata Mangeshkar and other celebrities have come out with a tweet denouncing this activity, denouncing this completely anti-national activity, then the Maharashtra government want to investigate this. I can't understand what mentality Maharashtra government is working on.
Well, mentality apart, and I want to take this to Clyde Castro. Mr. Castro, thank you so much for joining us this evening. You have to probe a probable criminality. What is the criminality here? What are we saying? The celebrities here have said this is an internal matter. Let's discuss this. The government of India and the farmer unions are in dialogue. Where is the criminality in this? On what basis have you launched this probe?
See, Aarti, understand one thing very clearly. Okay, nobody is going to probe Lata Didi or Sachin Tendulkar for that matter. They are Bharat Ratnas. They'll always be. There's highest respect for them. The point here is we are trying to get to the root of the thing, that if or is there any BJP person involved who's pressurized them to do that, and we are going to do that.
What are you talking about?
And scared and afraid about.
You are saying
Mr. Gopal Krishna Agarwal, I assure you, I will give you full opportunity to respond. Let's allow Mr. Castro to respond first, and then I will come to you. I'll come to after Aarti Jairath, of course. Let Mr. Castro please finish.
Aarti, this is Clyde Castro. Okay. Now the other point here is please moderate this debate because I don't interject and I don't wish to be interjected while I'm talking. Okay, I've made it very clear that this whole issue has to be probed. There is a BJP angle to this. We know there are certain tweets. There's one certain people that are involved in this. We know it's out there in the public domain. I'm not going to take names right away because that's for the investigative agency to do that because I'm not the police. Okay, let the police do its probe. But the fact of the matter is that there is something to this tweet. We need to know if these celebrities and the ones who have tweeted were pressurized. And if they were not pressurized, everything will be out in the open. So why is the BJP being rattled about? And let me make it very clear, very categorically clear that nobody is probing Lata Didi or Sachin Tendulkar for that matter. This whole narrative set by the BJP that our Bharat Ratnas are being questioned. Why can't Bharat Ratnas be in favor of Bharat? They are our Bharat Ratnas and they will always be the highest respect for all of them. But if there is any BJP involvement in this, why not a probe? And
Okay,
if
but
there's no
how are you
involvement,
going to
allow
probe
them
it?
open.
Clyde, how are you
That's-
going to probe this? Because what are you going to do? Are you going to check their bank accounts? Are you going to summon them to ask them?
Aarti-
Were you under pressure from the
Aarti-
BJP? Did somebody ask you to tweet this? You're saying that
Do you
we're not
understand?
probing Lata Mangeshkar or Sachin Tendulkar, and I buy that. You're probing whether there is a link or that they've been pressurized. But how do you propose to do that probe? And let's assume that there is. Let's just for 1 second assume that Sachin Tendulkar tweeted because he got a call from somebody in the BJP. What is the criminality in that? What are you going to charge them for?
No. Okay, Aarti, do you understand one thing? That I am a spokesperson and I'm talking on behalf of my party and the government and the Home Minister here, right? I'm not the investigative agency, nor am I the police. So how can I tell you how the police is going to investigate or the investigation agency is doing? That is not in my purview. And I cannot go beyond the law. Law is about all of us. So law will do all that, what they're supposed to do. The law will investigate, the police will investigate. And once they've done their work, they will be out in the public domain. You will know how they've investigated and what they've done. How can I tell you?
Well, we've
That's
ordered
not
a
my
probe
job.
and left it to the police to decide what that probe is. Aarti Jairath, is
Oh.
this bordering now on the silly? Because the absurd almost. Because first we had the government
How
of
is it
India
absurd,
react
Aarti?
to Rihanna of all people over a tweet. Now we're seeing the Maharashtra government saying we're going to order a probe. We don't know what the criminality is. We don't know whether there is a criminality either. We'll figure it out as we go
No,
along.
1 minute. Aarti.
No,
Aarti,
hold
Aarti,
on.
1 minute.
Let
Aarti.
Aarti Jairath please
No, no.
come in. Clyde,
No,
I will,
you are-
Clyde, no. I will give you full opportunity to respond. I
Okay.
assure you.
Okay.
But let Aarti Jairath come in, please.
Aarti, what's happening, unfortunately, in all this, blame game and investigations and police and all that is, we're losing track of the real issues here. The real issues are that there are a lot of farmers from across India who are unhappy about these farm laws and they want a discussion with the government. They want the laws repealed. And what we're seeing instead is a crackdown from the government side. The way Delhi has been barricaded all its borders with nails and spikes hammered into the roads, concrete blocks put up. I mean, it looks almost like a war zone. And that's the point, that there are two issues here. One is, of course, the farm laws themselves, and the second is the kind of stifling of protest and dissent using very strong police measures. These are the issues. Instead of which, we're getting diverted into this celeb versus celeb, Maharashtra government, police versus celebs, Indian government versus celebs. I mean, it's really, as you said, bordering on the absurd now. And unfortunately, the real issues are getting buried.
Protest is going on for over 2 months now, and we have either side that's accusing each other of some sort of conspiracy. Gopal Krishna Agarwal, I think the larger point here is you're saying there's an international conspiracy. The Congress is saying there is a domestic conspiracy. How are two reactions any different? How are they borne out in any way in terms of proof, in terms of criminality?
Aarti, we have to understand the investigation ordered by Maharashtra government on these celebrity tweets in domestically stems from their conviction and their suggestion that these celebrities do not have their own mind. They are not child that somebody will tell and they will tweet. That is the assumption they are working on. Second thing, you have rightly pointed out that where is the criminality? If some had requested even for them to tweet against this international tweets which have nothing to do. We cannot say these domestic celebrities don't have any interest in our country's political and national affairs. But what Greta Thunberg or Mia Khalifa has any interest in domestic handling of the situation or movement? What when the government is ready to talk, we are handling our situation. Then what is the way they are tweeting about this toolkit, how agitation should be, and how they were getting the information that what has to be done on 23rd January, 25th January, 26th January. Then we saw, in addition, what happened on 26th January.
Mr.
Was
Agarwal,
26th January is not a act of criminality.
Mr.
The
Agarwal,
act of criminality.
Mr.
is
Agarwal,
there.
did
So-
the government of India ask celebrities from sports, from Bollywood, did the government of India ask them to tweet, and not just tweet, to retweet the statement that the MEA made? Or are we to believe that over 20 celebrities from various fields, as a matter of sheer coincidence, decided to tweet this? Because let's even assume that for a second that the government, let's just assume for a second that the government of India did ask them to tweet. There is no harm in admitting that this is part of a pushback campaign. This is how social media mobilization works. One part rope in a group of celebrities, the other side ropes in a group of celebrities, both to push in their messaging, and there's nothing wrong in that. But why don't we just admit that all these celebrities, of course, were involved in a government-sponsored pushback?
Aarti, basic, we should understand how the government works. Government MEA came out with a statement. There they officially said that these are the hashtags to be used. These are the hashtags people can tweet. And it is not only these 20 or 15 or celebrities only tweeted. Thousands and lakhs of domestic citizens of the country have tweeted. I have tweeted. But did government ask me? I'm a BJP person. Nobody asked me. So it's my own wish. When I am reading the statement of the MEA, I was worried about the way 26 January issue happened, and I was also worried about the way the foreign participants are interfering in our domestic issues. So,
Yeah.
Like me, our celebrity,
No, okay,
it is
Clyde,
not
Clyde,
only
come on.
the 15,
Yeah.
20
Mr.
celebrities
Agarwal, let's
have,
allow Clyde
yeah.
to come in. He's been waiting. He's been waiting patiently. Yes, Clyde, go ahead.
Aarti, just a couple of things I want to tell you. First and foremost, I'd like to tell you one thing very clearly. The government is not, behaving in the manner that we will go and see as it pans out. We'll figure out what is happening. No, the reason I'm not saying, or I'm not answering what you're asking me is because, like I said it before, and I repeat it again, I'm not the investigative agency. So whatever the police does, they will let you know. It's their job to let you know. I'm not the spokesperson of the police and
investigate.
Again,
Why
this
you are
man is
giving
talking
them statement?
Okay, Mr.
I think
Agarwal,
this man is
Mr.
talking
Agarwal,
to
Mr. Agarwal, we don't
no,
interrupt
but
your
you
admiral now.
cannot
We
go
tried.
ahead.
No, hold on, Mr. Agarwal. Clyde didn't interrupt you. Please, let's extend him that courtesy as well. I'll come to you. I'll give you full opportunity to respond to everything that he says, but let him finish what he has to say.
Yeah. So, Aarti, the point here is the Home Minister has announced that there will be an investigation. It happened this evening. There will be an investigation. What happens in it, how it happened, will all be out in the public domain. It has happened before. It will come out now also. Secondly, this whole talk about, what's the harm in tweeting, and these are patriotic Indians and they've all tweeted everything. Fair enough. Understood. And I repeat it again. All respect to Lata Didi and Sachin Tendulkar and all those others who have tweeted. My question is other thing. If they are so concerned about everything that they keep doing, tell me how many of these celebrities tweeted yesterday when the disaster happened in Chamoli in Uttarakhand, when the glacier burst. How many of them have tweeted in the identical fashion? In the
what
But
is
this
identical
is
manner?
what about
illogical
sir?
thing.
The
Clyde,
point
this
here
is
is-
what about am I allowed to care only
No,
about
no.
one issue or not?
No,
In fact, let me.
no.
Okay,
Can I
I
finish?
have one question
Aarti,
for
can I
you.
finish?
Yeah, Clyde,
Can I
I
finish
have
and you
just
ask me?
This
yes.
is making a fool of the nation.
Okay, Clyde, I have one question for you, and then you can answer that as well with what you were saying. I just quickly want to check, has the government of Maharashtra by any chance also decided to launch a probe or to look or to examine preliminary Sonam Ahuja or Sonam Kapoor Pariniti Chopra, Anurag Kashyap, because they also, in seemingly well-timed, similar words, similar comments, have said, please read this thread. And they've responded to the CMO Maharashtra's tweet. I presume this is on COVID. All of them have used the same words, the same time. Pariniti Chopra, Sonam Kapoor, Anurag Kashyap, Hrithik Roshan, Farhan Akhtar. Are you also planning a probe, a similar probe against them?
No. Yeah, well, I mean, you're trying to be very straight, but I know what you're getting at. The point here is, if you bring it to the notice, and if it has to be probed, it'll be probed.
So,
Yes.
so
That's
Mr.
what it is.
This is
So,
the
Clyde, are you admitting
No.
here that if somebody comes up to you and says that, these tweets were also very similar words, similar time, you're going to probe even Sonam Kapoor, Anurag
Listen,
Kashyap,
let
and
me tell you.
and
How
Pariniti
are they-
Chopra?
Okay, my question to you, are they different from any other citizen of the state?
How
they
are
different?
Sachin Tendulkar and Lata Mangeshkar any different either?
They are
It's the
not,
same
nobody's
logic.
different. That's what I'm saying. That's exactly, I'm applying the same logic. So if somebody complains, and if the home minister receives a complaint, yeah, he'll do his job. He'll do his job. What do you expect me to say that, he will not? Every citizen is equal. If there is a complaint about anything, there's a pressure on any citizen by any other citizen, it will be probed. Be rest assured. If there's a procedure, I'll tell you something.
Okay, Gopal
Listen,
Agarwal, I'll come to
like
you. I want
Maharashtra
Aarti Jarat has
like
been waiting.
Maharashtra government,
Aarti,
Mr. Cresto,
I'm going to-
is making a fool of himself.
No,
like
Gopal
Maharashtra
Agarwal,
government.
that's not fair. We're not making any personal comments here. Mr. Agarwal, please,
No, but he is not accepting.
No,
he is
Mr.
not
Agarwal,
accepting the-
Mr. Agarwal,
No,
please,
but
let's not
the
make any
thing is-
personal comments. Aarti Jarat,
No,
I know you
but
want to come in.
that-
Please go ahead.
Aarti, 1 minute. Aarti,
No,
please,
but
1 minute.
Yeah, I
they
think-
are. He is
No,
making.
sorry. Listen, both you politicians, party spokespersons, you are completely forgetting the farmers. Completely. Not once in this entire discussion have I heard you mention the farmers, their issues, the fact that they've been sitting at Delhi's borders
Can
for
I
more
come
than
in?
2 months. The fact that they've been
No, we have been
barricaded,
talking on
the
them.
fact that
You are
they've been
speaking on
harassed,
topic of
the
what
fact
I
that
have to talk on the
200
topic.
farmers are missing, the fact that
Aarti
one
ji,
farmer died
if the
in
topic of the
agitation,
debate is
the
Maharashtra
fact-
government
No,
action.
I'm sorry.
Aarti.
At least.
No,
at
if
least
you want to
express
talk-
some-
Okay,
talk
this
about
is not
the law,
working.
I'm
This
ready
is
to
really
talk
not working.
about
Aarti
the
Jarat was
issue that
listening very
comes
patiently
up.
to both of you gentlemen. Please extend that courtesy to her. Please let her finish her point, and then
Oh,
you will all
let
be
me
given an
sorry.
opportunity to speak. I don't
Fine.
understand why any of you are in a rush here.
No,
I'll come
they
to
just
both
want
of you.
to score
Aarti, please go ahead.
political points. They only want to score political points over each other. The center, Maharashtra blaming the BJP government, BJP blaming the Maharashtra government. That's all they're doing. And in all this, people get lost. The citizens of this country get lost. And that is really the tragedy of this country. And I'm afraid that we are making absolute fools of ourselves in the eyes of the world. I think everybody is just laughing at how thin-skinned we are and how we fight with each other over petty things instead of getting down to resolving the real issue, which is the farmer.
Aarti, I take your point, and that has been
Aarti.
that has somehow gotten lost in all of this noise about the social
Completely.
media war. But Aarti, just as to take forward the point about who has the right to tweet. It is not a question of it being the sole domain or sole purview of one person. Nobody has a monopoly on communication. Whether it is Sachin
Absolutely.
Tendulkar who has tweeted because someone has or hasn't asked him to tweet, whether it is Rihanna who's tweeted because somebody has or has not paid her, we don't know that. But either way, as part of a social mobilization campaign which works out on social media these days, this is completely normal and there's no criminality in it.
Absolutely. And Twitter is there for everybody to use as long as you're not trolling anybody. I think some of the tweets actually have been very obnoxious. The way Rihanna was trolled, recalling that unfortunate episode with her, former husband, her being called names. I mean, that kind of stuff, really, that should not be allowed. But you want to express whether, you copy-pasted something that you were told to tweet, or you tweeted about an issue that you really don't know about. I mean, come on. I mean, it's a free world, and it's a globalized world as well. So Indians will tweet about the attack on Capitol Hill, including our Prime Minister. And Americans will tweet about what's happening here in India with the farmers and the shutdown of the internet.
Exactly.
So that it is a globalized world. I'm sorry, and everybody will tweet about issues that concern them.
Exactly, and if we had to use expertise on Twitter and on social media to, if you're eligible to tweet and comment only if you have certain expertise, then perhaps you will have very few users on that platform left. Gopal Krishna Agarwal, please come in.
One thing, Aarti Jairatji was saying that why we are not discussing the farmers' plight and the laws. If you are keeping a debate on what Maharashtra government's action is, do I start talking about the farm laws? If she wants to debate with me, I have a deep study on these farm laws. I am ready to discuss. Anytime you put, I will discuss clause by clause. And that's what the Prime Minister said in the Parliament, on the floor of the Parliament, that when the government is ready to talk to the farmers and resolve their issues, accept their demand. We already have accepted 12 of their demands. We have also accepted that we are ready to suspend them for almost 2 years. Nobody is talking on that. But Congress and others, they are wanting to repeal those. Aarti Jairat should talk to those Congress and other people. We are ready to talk.
I take your point that we're not discussing the nitty-gritties of the farm law. Clyde, I will give you the final word. Please go ahead.
Aarti, with due respect to Aarti ma'am and you Aarti, see, I was called on this debate to actually talk about the farmers. Okay, there was a different topic I was given that we talk about the farmers. And is social media affecting the farmers' agitation? Is what the topic I was given. I don't even have the message. But now we are here talking about the issue that has happened in Maharashtra about the probe being asked into this tweet. So anyway, that doesn't matter because when you come on a debate, you listen. So if Aarti ma'am wants to talk about farmers issue, I'm willing to come and talk for as long as you want me to talk on it. I'm ready to talk because that's an issue that we need to speak about all the time. And let me tell you now, the final thing is, let me clarify this again. The probe that has been spoken about today is not on Sachin Tendulkar or Lata Didi or anyone of that sort. The probe is, we're going to look at if there was a pressure on them to make these tweets, and that's what the probe is going to be. And once this probe is done, you will know everything that happened. It will be out in the public domain, rest assured.
Clyde, just one thing, because if there may have been any pressure on Sachin Tendulkar or Lata Didi or anybody else, the probe is not on them. I get that point. Are you also planning a probe similarly against Rihanna and Greta Thunberg? Not against them, but into their tweets as well?
Well, the point here is, if they don't come, they're not part of my country. They're not under our jurisdiction. Why do you even give any kind of importance to what they've said? Why did it start in the first place? Who cares about what Rihanna tweets? Who cares about what Greta tweets? This is my internal matter. This is my country's matter. And if there's something that's happening in my country and my people are going against it or doing something wrong, we will handle it ourselves. We made this very clear. Why are you giving so much importance to Rihanna? One tweet from Rihanna and the whole BJP was going completely berserk. Stop it. Who cares about Rihanna? Who cares about Greta Thunberg? I care about my own country.
Well, ironically,
I care about what is happening to my farmers.
Ironically enough,
I'm concerned about my farmers. I care about my farmers. And I will talk about my farmers. I'll talk about my farmers. You all are the ones who are being rattled about one Rihanna. I'm not rattled. I'm rattled because my farmers are not getting what they want. I'm rattled because my farmers are sitting there in the cold, not getting food. I'm rattled because my farmers don't have the basic necessities out there and they're not being heard. I'm worried about that. I don't care about what Rihanna tweets or Greta tweets or worried about them. They can do what they want to do. Who cares?
Well, you're not worried about Rihanna or Greta, but you certainly are worried about what Indian celebrities here are tweeting. No, ladies and gentlemen, I'm unfortunately completely out of time. Aarti Jairat, Clyde and Mr. Agarwal, thank you. I do appreciate you taking out your time. I know this is a subject that evokes a lot of rage and a lot of discussion. But here's one thing that's fairly certain. We're literally tying ourselves up in knots here. We are going into a tizzy about a bunch of tweets that have been made by celebrities, maybe at the behest of somebody, maybe at the behest or not at the behest of somebody. There is no criminality, however, involved in that, and perhaps we need to relook on whether or not we are reacting in a very knee-jerk manner to social media chatter. Well, we're completely out of time on the second debate on Urban Debate tonight. Thank you so much for watching.